All right, key to the next part is using your calculator again. And so what we need to do is we need to know, how do I use my calculator? How do I use my calculator to simplify something like this? Okay, so you're going to have to watch closely, okay? No way to do this without a calculator. I'll say this too. You'd have to be really, really good at math to be able to do this without a calculator, better than me. So what I want to simplify is this radical thing, and you can do that in your calculator. So let me show you how to do that. It is right underneath the squared is the square root button. Okay, so it's the square root of 676. Make sure when you do that, the 676 is underneath the square root, which it is. And what do we get? Well, that's 26. So now I've actually simplified this to 16 plus 26. Oh, sorry, not 16 plus 26, 16 plus or minus 26. So we're getting, and then this is still all over 2. So we're getting super close. Okay, finally, the last thing I need to do is actually this plus or minus. So finally, what I'm going to do, once I get this down, as broken down as much as I can, down to this, we're going to break this into 2 different problems, okay? One we're going to add, one we're going to minus. So that's where the plus or minus comes from. So one of my problems is going to be x equals 16 plus 26 divided by 2. Okay, and the other one is going to be x equals 16 minus 26 divided by 2. So we got to simplify this still just a little bit more. Give it a little more space. So 16 plus 26. Let's make sure we clear all that. 16 plus 26. That gives me 42. So I have 42 up here divided by 2. So now I can do 42 divided by 2. That's 21. So one of my answers is going to be 21. So x equals 21. Let me write that up here. The other one we're going to minus. So 16 minus 26. 16 minus 26. We get negative 10. So this equals negative 10. Still have over 2. Well, I don't even need to use a calculator. I know that that's going to be negative 5. So my other x equals negative 5. So all this came down to was breaking this really complicated thing down piece by piece. A minus and negative became just a plus. All of this we put in a calculator, everything underneath the radical, underneath the square root. And that gave us a single number. Okay, then we can plug that into our calculator. Gave us an even simpler number. Then we add, and then we also subtract. So you have to do the plus and the minus. That's how you get 2 different answers, is that plus or minus. And there you have it.